Okay, so today we're going to take a look at the production possibilities frontier. We're going to take a look at what all these lines mean, what the dots mean, and how it's influenced. Okay, so to start off, in order to read your production possibilities frontier graph, you need to label it. So ours is going to be labeled by speakers and books. So essentially, what this line shows is your ability to produce different levels of things while giving up other things. So say, for example, I wanted to produce, say, 15 speakers and 30 books. Well, then I'd end up putting a dot here, and that's how many I could produce of each. But say I wanted to produce more speakers. Say I wanted to produce, say, 20. Well, then I have to draw the dot here, and I can only produce maybe 20 books. By choosing to do this, I'm changing my opportunity cost. Right here, these 10 books are my opportunity cost because I lost them in order to produce 5 more speakers here. So here you can see that we're producing the maximum amount of goods. If you want to produce the maximum amount of goods that you can at any given point on the line, you would have to stick to anywhere on this line. By doing so, you're utilizing all the factors of production in your arsenal, which include land, labor, and capital. But, for example, if you were to use a point produced somewhere in here, that's called underutilization because you're not utilizing all of your factors of production. The last topic I want to cover about the production possibilities frontier is how the line may change. So say, for example, the workers go on strike. Well, then you would lose some of your labor. So your production possibility would be lower, and so you'd only be able to produce, say, 17 speakers at most, and maybe only 33 books. But if you have a swell in immigration, for example, your production possibility would increase, and so you'd be able to produce more goods than you were originally.